Hi everyone, today we're going to make a spring or Easter wreath, and this craft is, I guess, for all ages. Children will need to be supervised because a hot glue gun is required for all of this. So I will have some kits made up that you can take home and make at your leisure. So just let me know if you want a kit. They're limited supplies. So first thing you're going to do is hot glue gun this piece of ribbon here on an angle inside your wreath, and then you're going to start wrapping as tight as you can on an angle around. I'm trying to stay off this lace in the middle here. You just keep going around until you get to the end, and then you glue gun it down. The next thing you're going to do once you have your first layer of ribbon on nice and tight, and you can run glue underneath the ribbon as you go along too, just to hold it, but it should stay. I didn't do it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get some of this colored ribbon here, so glue gun it and wrap it around your wreath. I'm kind of going in between the lace. Do that all the way around and glue gun it good at the end. Once you're done with your ribbon around your wreath, then you will start decorating, and you can do this however you want. There will be sparkly eggs, a couple of different sizes and colors. There will be flowers in your little take and make bags, plus the wreath that's underneath all this ribbon, and the ribbon that will all be supplied. So you just need a glue gun, and you can put on as much as you want and make it however you want. So that is your spring Easter wreath. Have fun with it, and if you need supplies, please let me know and come and get them. I have them for you. Bye. Happy Easter.